Hi, Michael Gaffney again. Today we're talking about the one, the only. It's ripped from the headline. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. That's the one you want to know about. The Casablanca lilies standing on their own on a beautiful dining room table. I think that was shot in San Francisco. I'm going to show you now. It's out of my new book. My first book, Design Star. Watch carefully. Take a lily. These are big, nice Casablanca lilies. Just like in that picture. You're going to cross to the left. Not on this side, but on the far side. Cross the left, turn to the right. I'm going to mix it up with some eucalyptus. I'm going to throw in some bear grass. Cross the left, turn to the right. Cross the left, turn to the right. I'll slow down. Keep mixing up. I call it toss your salad. Keep mixing up your salad with different items. Throw some eucalyptus in there. Go back for more lilies. Cross to the left, turn to the right. You're going to hold them up fairly high. See how high I have this? Cross the left, turn to the right. Throwing in bear grass. Throwing in eucalyptus. Every once in a while, cross the left, turn to the right. Cross to the left, turn to the right. When these open up, it'll be a giant bouquet of gorgeous white Casablanca lilies bursting at the seams. That's right. Cross the left, turn to the right. Cross the left. See it? 10 o'clock. Turn it to 2 o'clock. 10 o'clock, turn it to 2 o'clock. You want it nice and flat, not curved. I'll show you why in a minute. So keep these up. You want a flat top, like a haircut. Pretty flat. Now I'm going to just collar it with a little more eucalyptus. Again, notice how I'm holding these nice and tight, squeezing them hard. Throw in the rest of my eucalyptus. Why not? It's here. I have it. Throw in some more bear grass. Why not? It's here and I have it. There's your bouquet. Now watch, this is the important part. You're going to take that finger, put some cording underneath it. It's going to hold it in place. You're going to pull nice and hard. Get it out. Really hard. You're going to take the two together. There's your two loose wires. This is called bark covered wire. You're going to throw it around. Toss it. Tighten it up. Nice and tight. Squeeze it. Pretty already. Then you're going to take a nice clippers. You're going to clean all this stuff off. We'll do that later. We're going to the fun part. You're going to cut straight across, not on an angle. Straight across. Like this. Again, you're going to cut up all the junk on this stem. But I cut straight across. Clean it up a little bit. Now, here's the important part. Stage number 2, the finale. You're going to pinch it above the waist. See where I have it? You're going to drop it on the table, and you're going to do quiet little jams into the table. And there it is.